Started adding this to the water. Like it's 1 tablespoon or whatever for every gallon, so that's 2 gallons. So I'd put 2 tablespoons in there, and it does have calcium in this. But this is the product I'm using, 623. And here's my first harvest of good ones. None of that brown spot on the bottom. Like I was getting like this kind of result because of a lack of calcium. The peas, I don't know. I had some of them, but like these, this is what happens at the end. And I just added a hibiscus, and got these tomato plants are going really well. The bucket system is working great, and these guys are huge. Sunflowers are up, so the mint is starting to bolt, and the basil is doing really well. I'm about to cut that down, and the sunflowers look really cool. That's what we've got here. So there's the garden update. These tomatoes are looking nice. I wonder, yep, no, that we got a brown spot on the bottom of this one that's coming out. We'll see what happens. Have a good one. Later. So it's been a long time since I've looked at the mirror part. Make sure you cut all the way around your paint mark so you don't rip any off. This project sat for a little while, so here's your final. We even got dusty under there without. Let's clean this off, detail it a little bit. Still a little tape in here. Tomorrow I'm just gonna install it the way it is.